Hi! In front of me is POCO M5 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. First of all, you need to access devices settings and scroll down. Then click on passwords and security. Now you need to tap on face unlock under screen lock and enter your current login method or set it up if you don't have it. Then click on Start, tap on Next in attention pop-up after 5 seconds and keep your face in frame. Remember to follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. Now you can name your face data however you wish to. I will go with face 1 and tap on Done. Over here you can adjust face unlock settings however you wish to, and when you're ready, click on Home button. Now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!